Hello, we are from group number 2. We'll present about green and sustainable infrastructure.
Green and sustainable infrastructure refers to the planning, design, and construction of systems that meet present needs while preserving environmental quality for future generations. It integrates ecological principles with modern engineering to create resilient, efficient, and environmentally friendly solutions. By emphasizing renewable resources, energy efficiency, waste reduction, and natural ecosystem preservation, green infrastructure supports sustainable urban development. This approach not only minimizes negative environmental impacts but also enhances community well-being, promotes biodiversity, and ensures long-term economic and social sustainability. Next, I would like to explain the objective of our study. Our main goal is to understand the concept and importance of green and sustainable infrastructure. This helps us to recognize how environmentally friendly design can reduce negative impacts on nature and improve the quality of life. Secondly, we aim to explore the key principles and components that support sustainable development, such as renewable energy use, water conservation, and efficient resource management. Third, we want to evaluate how sustainable design and construction practice can reduce ecological impacts. For example, using recycled material or energy efficient system can make projects more eco-friendly. Lastly, we aim to encourage the adoption of environmentally friendly approach in future infrastructure projects so that the next generation of developments will be greener and more sustainable. Overall, this objective guides our study in understanding how sustainable can be applied effectively in real-life infrastructure projects.
And I will explain my part that is about focus sector. The first focus sector is the transportation sector. In this sector, our primary goal is to reduce dependence on fossil fuel. The second focus sector is the energy sector. The energy sector is the heart of any sustainability effort. The focus here is crystal clear, expanding the use of renewable energy sources. This includes harnessing solar, wind, and hydropower. The aim is to decarbonize our electric grid. By expanding their source, we can directly reduce the carbon emission generated by fossil fuel power plant, thereby meeting national emission reduction target and ensuring energy security. And the final focus sector is building and construction. Building are massive energy concerns, therefore we need to fundamentally change how we design and build them. Energy efficient design. We focus on designing buildings that minimize energy need from outside, for example by minimizing natural lighting and ventilation. Second, low carbon material. Utilizing material whose product process generate minimize carbon emissions such as green concrete. Lastly, smart technologies. Employing building automation system to manage energy consumption in real time, ensuring that light and cooling system only operate when we then need.
Here's other opportunity for engineer. First, work on green technology projects such as solar, AV system, water purification, waste to energy. Secondly, design energy efficient infrastructure and system. The third one is become certified green building professional or energy auditors. And then develop innovative solution to reduce carbon footprint in industries. Lastly, engage in policy support, consulting, and sustainability planning. The next one is role of engineers. First, apply engineering principles to reduce waste and emissions. Second, design technologies that support low carbon development and integrate sustainability and life cycle analysis in designs. Finally, support government goals through green engineering practice.
These are benefits of green and sustainable infrastructure. First, improvement of water quality and stormwater management. This infrastructure captures, filters, and absorbs rainwater runoff, reducing pollutants like sediment, nutrients, and heavy metal that enter streams and lakes. This also minimizes localized flooding by slowing down and storing stormwater, which reduces pressure on conventional sewer system. Next, improve health and well-being. This infrastructure provides accessible green space for recreation and physical activities, for reducing stress, anxiety, and mental fatigue. It also provides better air quality, directly contributes to reduce respiratory problems. For the last benefits, this green and sustainable infrastructure give benefits to economy. This infrastructure lowers the cost of treating stormwater and wastewater by decreasing the volume entering the conventional system. This also can reduce the need of expensive grey infrastructure expansion.
So next we're gonna see our discussion. Number one, we have minimizing pollution. Engineering practice focus on controlling emission, runoff, and waste throughout the project life cycle. Construction phase, we have erosion and sediment control (ESC), implementing measures like silt fences, sediment pond, and construction influence stabilization to prevent soil and debris from entering waterways, which is a major source of non-point source pollution. Second, we have optimizing resources. Resources optimizing involve maximizing efficiency in use of energy, water, and materials. We have energy efficiency. Passive design orienting and designing building to maximize natural daylighting and utilize passive ventilation and shading, drastically reducing the need for artificial lighting and HVAC, or aka heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. So next we are gonna see our conclusion. In the end, this grid and infrastructure will give the opportunities to the engineer to provide a low carbon yet still efficiency and sustainable development. The presentation outlines several key benefits of green and sustainable infrastructure. These include the improvement of water quality and stormwater management by capturing, filtering, and absorbing rainwater runoff, which in turn reduce pollution like sediment, nutrient, and heavy metal from entering stream and lake. This infrastructure also help minimize the localized flooding by slowing down and storing stormwater, thereby reducing pressure and conventional sewer system. Furthermore, it contributes to improve health and well-being by providing accessible green spaces for recreation and physical activity. And that's all from us. Thank you.